meet and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. Today, I wanted to tell you about something that I'm going to start doing on this channel, and we're going to kind of test it out and, put our toes in the water, so to speak, and see how well you guys receive this. The last Saturday of each month at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, I will hold a live stream. And I'm going to be partnering up with my friend Nightshayde from Flatline to Beatline Podcast. I'll leave a link to his podcast down in the description box. But Nightshayde features pagan creators, business owners, artists, musicians, and he is trying to build a network for people who practice some form of paganism, and he highlights people each week on his show. I was blessed to have been invited on his show very early on into the podcast, and we have become pretty good buddies here. So Nightshayde and I will be discussing various topics. If you have an idea for a topic that you would like for us to discuss, I'm going to call it kind of like the Consult the Cauldron live stream or discussion, almost like an Ask a Witch kind of thing. If there is a subject you would like for us to tackle, please send me either an email, and here's my email address, or send me a message on Twitter. And right here's my Twitter handle. Nightshayde and I have different types of practices, and depending on the subjects that get asked and that you guys express an interest in, I may invite other people up into the discussion to participate with me and Nightshayde. So the very first subject that we are going to tackle is what makes a real witch. There has been a lot of discussion and controversy, especially on Twitter. Twitter has been blowing up the last few days over, what's a witch, who can be a witch, are, witches, do witches have to be female, etc., etc. So we are going to be tackling that subject, the very first out of the gate episode. So please be sure to join us on January 25th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. I believe that would be I think we are 5 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time. And that would be 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time in the U.S. So with that, my friends, I hope that you will take time out of your Saturday to join me and Nightshayde for about, half hour to an hour discussion. We're not going to, belabor things just to hear ourselves talk. We're going to see how this goes, and if it works, we're going to continue on. So be sure to let me know what you would like to see us discuss, and what you would like to consult the Cauldron about. So with that, my friends, merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.